Before we begin cleaning, here's a simple and effective face washing routine for clean, healthy skin. Wash your hands, use an antibacterial soap, and rinse thoroughly. Pat dry with a clean towel. Rubbing can cause irritation, especially for sensitive skin. Use a soft towel and pat gentle to avoid pulling or scratching the skin. It's optional to use a toner, but the toner balances the skin's pH and preps it for moisturizing, hydrates, and locks in moisture to protect the skin. Use a moisturizer. Tip: choose a moisturizer that matches your skin type: gel for oily skin, cream for dry skin. This routine ensures a clean, refreshed, and healthy complexion. So let's begin cleaning.
Your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see.
Before I begin cleaning, I am going to intentionally approach this space with activities that emphasizes mindfulness and purpose in the cleaning process, to release what no longer serves me and invite clarity, peace, and positive energy into this space for 2025. I am going into the new year. I will begin by removing unnecessary or unused items. So the intention is to let go of clutter and excess and make room for new opportunities and blessings to flow into my life.
Before it winds down into the memories, it's all just memories now.
Arrange items to ensure everything has a designated place. The intention is to create harmony and balance, aligning this space with my goals and values. The next thing you want to do is sweep or vacuum, clearing the pathways. So it is to clean floors, corners, and hidden areas.
Love when I come around, somebody fill you up, then I take it down. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody to build you up and I take.
I got this shapewear from Amazon. The intention is to smooth, sculpt, and couture my body. After the holidays, I need a little boost of confidence. This shapewear provides full body shaping, covering the torso, waist, and hips. It's best for tight fitting dresses or jumpsuits, but because I'm cleaning, I'm just going to put on this sweater and just show you that this shapewear dropped 2 sizes from me.
just the way we are. Say you love me.
Light a candle, use essential oils, or burn sage or incense. The intention is to fill this space with positivity, calmness, and light. May this space support growth, love, and creativity.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I know, I know you ain't gotta talk alright. I know you ain't gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know this shit, know what it is.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get together.